So hello session. So if you wish to learn how to use IBM SPSS Statistics version 26 to compute for a multiple response data set, then you may watch this video and you may follow the procedures that I'll be doing in this presentation. So as you can observe, I have prepared an example here which is about the most used social media applications, and this include the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Messenger, Google Chat, and Telegram. So we're in. Based on the responses of the respondents, I provided one if they chose Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Messenger, Google Chat, or Telegram, and zero if they did not chose any of these social media applications. And after providing the dummy variable for the responses of your respondents, you just have to copy this on the dataset of our SPSS. So you just have to select the responses, then click Control C, and then proceed with the data view of SPSS. So in the data view, you just have to paste it. So you press Control V. And as you can observe, naka 2 decimal places po ito. So we will proceed with variable view to fix the decimal places. And on the column of decimals, you just have to click the arrow down to make it 0. And then we have to change the name of the variable. So in here, we have to make it Facebook. Next is Instagram. Next is Twitter. Next is Messenger. And next is Google Chat, followed by Telegram. So note that space is not allowed in SPSS. That's why I have used this symbol instead of space. And then the arrangement of the name of the variable must be of the same order with the data that we have copied. So as you can see, yung ating naming dito nakabase sa arrangement po natin dito sa ating pinagkopyahan sa Microsoft Excel. And then after that, you have to click Analyze and look for the multiple response. And then we first have to define the variable sets, and all of this, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Messenger, Google Chat, and Telegram will be moved on the right column in the variables in set. So we just have to click the arrow. And of course, since we have used a dichotomy variable and the dummy variable 1 and 0, we have to identify which value are we going to count. And for sure, that is 1. So we have to count it using the value 1. And let us name this as the most used social media application. And let us label it as MUSMA, the initials of the most used social media application. And then we have to click Add and then Close. And after that, we will proceed again to Analyze and look for multiple response again. And now, we are going to proceed with frequencies. So we are just going to move the multiple responses on our tables 4 and then click OK. And after that, as simple as that, we are going to have these results. So as you can see, there is 25.6% for Facebook. That is the highest result, and that is followed by Messenger, and then Instagram, and then Twitter, and last is the use of Twitter is followed by Telegram, and last is Google Chat. And since this is only 1 decimal place po yung nasa percent natin, once na makopy natin siya sa Excel, pwede po nating baguhin yung decimal place. Pwede nating dagdagan, pwede nating bawasan, pero mas okay po gawin nating 2 decimal places later. So, copy lang po ito. And once na makopy, pupunta po kayo dito kay Excel, ipipaste nyo po, ayan, ito yung makukuha nating result. Ano po, and ayan po, ito po ay nagawa ko ng i-adjust ang decimal place, ginawa ko pong 2 decimal places, and Siya po ay nakapresent na dito following the format for the APA7 style. So as you can see, our subhead is the social media application. The row captions are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Messenger, Google Chat, and Telegram. And for the column head, we have the frequency and percentage. And naka 2 decimal places na po ito. And make sure na siya po ay naka at magto-total ng 100%. And underneath the presentation, you may provide a note and you may see na ito pong nasa ilalim ng presentation natin. That could be the same note that you will explain underneath the tabular presentation. And that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you to be able to compute a multiple response data set using the IBM SPSS Statistics version 26. Thank you for listening and good luck for your activity.